सानू से स्टार्ट हो गया।
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, मेरे सीनियर्स, कॉलीग्स और मेरे जूनियर्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आज कोरोना के समय सब कोई अपने घर में है और यही कारण से हम लोग फेयरवेल भी आप लोग को नहीं दे पाए। इसलिए हम लोगों ने सोचा कि क्यों ना हम लोग आपको जिस तरह से दे सकते हैं फेयरवेल, उस तरह से आप लोग को दिया जाए फेयरवेल। तो ये हमारा आज का एक सरप्राइज फेयरवेल आप लोग के लिए है। अब देखिए, अब समय अब जैसे जैसे बढ़ता जा रहा है वैसे वैसे थोड़ी दुविधा भी होती जा रही है, बहुत दिक्कतें हो जा रही हैं, लेकिन आप सभी को साथ में रह के हम लोग के साथ अपने अच्छे के लिए अपने माँ बाप से अच्छे से रहिए, अच्छे से बात करिए, अच्छा से रहिए। और अब हमारे लिए जब से मैं सेकेंड ईयर में था तब से फोर्थ ईयर तक, फिफ्थ ईयर तक मैंने देखा है कि कैसे हम लोगों ने सिनेरियो के सब चीज, अच्छा वक्त, बुरा वक्त, हॉस्टल के रूम में हंसते हुए हम लोगों ने वाइस चांसलर के घर के बाहर खड़े होकर और उनके ऑफिस तक सब चीज को देखा है। अपने यूनिवर्सिटी के खराब और अच्छे हर समय को हमने देखा है और समझा है, और हर समय हम लोग उसके साथ खड़े रहे ताकि हम लोग का यूनिवर्सिटी अच्छा हो सके। यही कारण से मुझे आप पे बहुत गर्व है कि मैं आपका जूनियर हूँ, और यही कारण से आज मैं आप लोग के लिए एक सरप्राइज फेयरवेल लाया हूँ। और आज हम यहाँ पे मन की बात करेंगे, लेकिन मोदी जी की नहीं, अपने बैच की, जूनियर और सीनियर बैच की। तो इसके लिए हम लोग आपको जानते हैं कि जिस तरह मोदी जी फेमस है, वैसे आप लोग भी फेमस हैं, हम लोग भी फेमस हैं। तो वर्ल्ड से आप लोग के लिए कुछ मैसेज है, वो आप देखिए। अपूर्वा, और थोड़ी देर में स्टार्ट होगा आप लोग के लिए।
But celebrate anyway.
Find that silver lining.
That's pretty awesome.
This is the part where you grow.
So, take all of this advice with a grain or an entire shaker of salt.
Don't be defined by what you lose in this crisis, but by how you respond to it.
It's still so important that you take this moment to appreciate what you've achieved.
I'm so proud of you all. Congratulations. See you in the world.
You are in one of the most important transitions of your life, and yet these are not normal times. But normal is a myth. This, the unknown, the unexpected, this is real, because again and again in your career, no, in your life, you're gonna have things that don't go your way. Normal does not make you stronger. Challenges do.
You've been exposed to more knowledge and perspectives than my generation ever was. You're more tolerant, empathetic, entrepreneurial, environmentally conscious.
Your story matters. In tough times like these, you continue to be what gives me hope. You all are exactly what we need right now.
Class of 2020 can do anything.
America is a song yet to be written.
Real change has started with you.
Congratulations, class of 2020.
कैसा लगा आपको? मुझे पता है अच्छा लगा होगा, क्योंकि मोदी जी जैसे अच्छा लगता है वैसे आप लोगों को तो अच्छा लगेगा ही। अब ये तो थोड़ा वर्ल्ड का बात रहा, अब देखते हैं कि हमारे सिनेरियो के लोगों का आपके लिए क्या है। चलिए देखते हैं अगला वीडियो। और अगर थोड़ा देर लग भी रहा है तो थोड़ा देर आराम से बैठ जाइए, आ ही जाएगा थोड़ा देर में। कभी थोड़ा नेट का प्रॉब्लम है तो थोड़ा दिक्कत होगा, लेकिन आएगा जरूर और आप देखेंगे जरूर।
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा कहना, कभी कहना। विदा होकर आज यहाँ से चले जाओगे, पर आशा है कि जहाँ भी जाओगे खुशियाँ ही पाओगे। On this bright note, I want to give all of you my blessings, my best wishes for your future endeavors. I have not interacted many of your batchmates, but to name a few: Samar, Apurv, Prasoon, Shruti, Shubham. Whatever time and whatever moments we have spent, I will always cherish. And I have asked few of you to do meet me whenever you come to the campus. And on behalf of Child Light Center also, I am wishing you all the best, everyone. God bless. Lots of love and blessings to all of you. Keep rocking.
My dear batch 1520, I'm happy that you have completed your 5-year journey at CNLU. I wish you all the best. God bless you. I'm very happy that I have taught you criminal laws. I'm sure that you will shine wherever you are. I wish you all the best. Some of you have been very closely associated with me as far as CNLU Legal Aid Cell is concerned. I acknowledge and appreciate you for the contributions that you have made. And some of you I know very well when you have interacted with me for the preparation of moot courts. Good. I wish you a bright future, successful career ahead. God bless you.
Dear batch of 2015-2020, I hope you all are doing well. I'm sure you all have had great plans for your final semester and your farewell day, but unfortunately because of the whole COVID thing, the things did not go as planned. And so your juniors have planned this unique virtual farewell party, and now we teachers are also a part of it. So dear students, I wish you all great success in your professional lives, happiness and prosperity in your personal lives, lots and lots of wishes to you all. Do well in life. I'm sure wherever you people will go with your hard work, sincerity and dedication, you will make everyone around you proud. See, we are already proud of you all. Best wishes to you all. Do well in life. Good luck. Take good care of yourself. Thank you.
Hello guys. The batch 1520 is one of my most favorite batches, as in 2015 I have joined the university and you have also joined the university. I have joined as a faculty and you have joined as a student. So I can connect with this batch a little bit from my heart also, because this is the first batch which I taught, and the subject was you all know that, legal methods and research methodology, and with Sangeet sir I was allotted this first subject with Sangeet sir, and you guys were one of the most cooperating batch. You understood that a particular alumni has joined the university, so you cooperated in all the manners, all of you. So as you all are leaving the college, leaving the university, it is my pleasure to give you a farewell on this video itself. As I taught you in the last semester also, the subject called a seminar paper, Law Relating to Women and Child. So first semester and last semester, there is a connection, okay, that somehow you all will remember it during your first semester and last semester when faculty was there. So I have always wished for this batch, that this batch gets the best placements, and they are placed at very good institutions and all. So from the bottom of my heart, I wish all of you, all my students, all the very best for their future, for all their future endeavors, and whatever they do, whether in the field of advocacy, whether in the field of judiciary, or any other field or corporate field, I know that, I have a firm belief that you all will excel in whatever respective fields you all get to. Okay, so my best wishes from the bottom of my heart. And please, during this pandemic, I wish all of you to stay in a good health, stay safe, stay healthy, and my best wishes for your future endeavors. Whatever you do, wherever you go, always remember that a university will always be there standing for you, and alumni association will always be there standing for you guys. So be happy and be safe. Bye. Take care. Thank you.
Dear students, I hope everyone is doing good and staying safe and staying at home also, taking care of their parents as well. Now, because this year, because of the COVID-19 situation, you people are also not here to give your exam examination, which is very sad on your part as well as on teachers' part also. So that this is the only way and medium to meet with you people and to cut the cake together. I really missed this thing with you all, and I am giving you a word that we will one day cut the cake together, and this is due. And giving you a favor note, I just wanted to say that you all have left an imprint on my heart, and you people made me laugh very hard when you people just throw your witty and funny comments, and I'm sure you people are also much aware of this fact when I say funny and witty comments. And it is you people only who make me come to college daily, and with you all having conversation on day-to-day basis make me feel very encouraging and energetic towards teaching. And this is because CNLU is my first place where I started teaching, and when I receive good messages or wishes from each individual students on my WhatsApp group or other group, it's something which always inspired me to stay in this academia and to be teachers of you. So you people made me feel very comfortable in your class. I wish you all luck, and I just wanted to say to every student, to each one of you, that please earn your name and earn identity, because whatever you do in your life, whether you go for masters or whether you become judge or anything in litigation, just earn your name. And especially for girls, I keep saying, and in future also I will keep saying to my coming batches that earn your name, earn your identity. This is what you can earn, and this is something which is very personal to everyone. So wish you all luck, wish you all best. Each one of you is just one wonderful human being with good personalities, good sense of humors. I really missed you all in this last semester, and thank you so much for giving me time and space to make you people teach. And I also learned a lot, and I always kept saying that with the smart students, teachers also get smart. So I wish you all luck. Do wonderful in life. Keep in touch. Stay in touch. Wish you all best. this is what I wanted to say with this note. And just have a blast in life, enjoy it to the fullest, live your life, you are the master of your life. And yes, do stay tuned, and because till we cut the cake. So this is the term I always use, and wish you all luck. This is what I wanted to say. And thank you, Apurva, for asking such a nice video from my side. This is something, a good contribution which I can only give at this time, because this is something I can say it's a replacement of cake. So wish you all luck, and okay, take care.
Hello my dear students, my dear students, good afternoon. Unlike the last years, we will not be able to organize a farewell program. It is very unfortunate for us. But in this time, whatever mechanism we have adopted for the completion of this event virtually, it is very appreciable. We all are appreciating this work of all the juniors. इस दुखद समय में, इस कोविड-19 काल में, जबकि पूरा विश्व परेशानियों से जूझ रहा है, इस परेशानी के समय में इन लोगों ने जो मैकेनिज्म डेवलप किया वो काबिल तारीफ है। विदाई एक ऐसी परंपरा है जिस परंपरा का अर्थ ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ही निगेटिव लिया जाए। यह विदाई इस उद्देश्य से है कि आपने एक अच्छा और एक अच्छी व्यवस्था को पाया है। आपने अपने अध्ययन काल में जो अनुभव प्राप्त किए हैं, जो अध्ययन किए हैं, उस अनुभवों से आप आगे की ओर बढ़ेंगे और हम उम्मीद करेंगे और भगवान से दुआ करेंगे कि आप सर्वदा अपने पथ पर उच्चस्थ पद को प्राप्त करें। यह एकमात्र परंपरा है। इस परंपराओं को हमने लोगों ने निभाया है, लेकिन दिल से हम सभी आप लोगों की शुभकामनाओं की दुआ करते हैं। बाय बाय ऑल।
Hello students, this is your Priyadarshini ma'am, and this is virtual farewell being given to final year students of Chanakya National Law University. Life teaches you every day, and this pandemic has taught us so many things. Despite of the fact that we are going through these circumstances, still there is hope for the better. So my best wishes is with you all in whatever endeavors you take in the near future. All the best. Stay safe, stay home, stay blessed. Thank you.
My heartiest congratulations to all the students of both BBLLB and BLLB. This will be the third batch of BBLLB which will be passing out from CNLU, and my close association with them makes me proud today that you have all completed what appeared to be a short 5 years now which is past. But in the first semester, you recall, it appeared to be a long 5 years ahead. We discussed it. And there are many other things that we had discussed it. I'll not be repeating them, but you must remember they will be the key to success in your life. As soon as you have passed out, there will be questions which I start with, what will you do next? And this question will be posed to you from your parents, friends, relatives, well-wishers, and they'll try to create pressure on you. They'll ask about campus, they will ask about what you intend to do next. They will create added pressure. They'll create a wall around you. Please do not let this wall create any kind of negativity or frustration. It should be, a wall should be there. Definitely obstacles will be there in life, not once, but several times. They should be of your own choice. They should be those that you have created, not what others have created. And always remain positive. And mind you, whatever you do, it is your own doing, it is your own efforts, and you will be squarely responsible. Nobody else is to blame. Do not crib, do not point fingers at others. That's the way to go ahead in life. Prepare, work hard, and overcome these obstacles. The walls are there for a purpose, and the purpose is good. Mind you, if there is no wall, there will be other issues. So you must ensure that you also have these walls.
Is the cellar still here? No, this isn't there. I'm in the other cellar.
I'm sorry, sir, there is no other cellar.
It was bigger than this.
Snowy? Snowy, where are you? Captain, help me. Snowy. Just like you said, Captain. You hit a wall?
You pushed through it.
Well, you know what to do now. You hit a wall, you push through it. Irrespective of what you aim to do, you want to do business, you want to be a lawyer, you want to join a law firm, you want to become civil servant, you want to join judiciary, whatever it is. These walls should be the ones that you create, and you have to push through them on your own efforts. May God bless you. All the best. I'm sure all of you would be doing very well. And once you do well, I look forward to your coming back, telling me about it, like your parents, like your friends. I'll also be very proud of you. And I look forward to you working hard. I'm sure all of you will do very well. May God bless. Thank you.
Hi students, batch of 2020. Congratulations on getting your graduation, and this is to congratulate you again for your future ahead. आप लोग आगे बढ़िए, अच्छा कीजिए जीवन में, और जितनी भी चुनौतियाँ आए उसका डटकर सामना करें, खुश रहें, पॉजिटिव रहें, और कॉलेज को याद रखें, हम लोगों के साथ कांटेक्ट में रहिए। आगे आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारी ऐसी सफलताएं आएंगी जिनको आपको पार करना है, उनको अचीव करना है। एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर करियर अहेड, फॉर योर लाइफ अहेड। लिव लाइक दिस इज़ द ओनली लाइफ यू गॉट, और खुश रहिए। सबसे बड़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यही है कि चाहे आप जीवन में जहाँ भी रहें, खुश रहें, सफल रहें, और अच्छा स्वास्थ्य मेंटेन करें, हेल्दी रहें। This is my all wishes for you, and you have been very nice batch and you have great potential, so keep the hopes high, and आपसे बहुत उम्मीदें हैं कॉलेज को, हम लोग सारे टीचर्स को, फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को,
So we know that you people are going to excel in your career, in your life. So all the best again. Thank you so much.
Hello. I feel overjoyed and proud in addressing you today for the first time as the batch of 2020. Very soon you will metamorph from being students to being alumnus and shed away an identity that you have proudly carried for half a decade. As destiny had it, I got the opportunity to be a part of a very small fraction of this journey of yours. I have witnessed your enthusiasm, especially for attendance, and your zeal for bunking the classes. But I have also witnessed your curiosity for new ideas, your passion for what you believe in, your ability to analyze things differently, and most of all, your determination to carve out a different identity for yourself. You are all very different, and it is this difference that will play the most significant role in shaping up your future. Your future. Isn't that one of the biggest topics on which you keep on deliberating the most these days? I know there are some students who have secured PPOs and can now safely put this question aside. But then, I'm sure there would be several other equally bright students who don't have an answer to this question yet. They would be constantly thinking about whether to take up litigation or to get into law firms or LPOs or to prepare for judiciary or the civil services. Well, in your final year, these are the questions that keep on coming back to you. And it's not always your inner self that's raising these questions. Sometimes it can be the neighbors too. Believe me, I've been through it. But the sad part is you really don't know how to answer this question. The movie Three Idiots tells us that one should do what she really wants. But is it that easy to know what you want or what you are made for? There's a scene in that movie in which Aamir Khan deciphers what it is that his friends really want from life. He tells Madhavan that he should do photography because that is what he's made for. He tells Sharman Joshi that he can be a good engineer only if he stops being afraid and loses all of his rings. But hey, I've never been good at anything. Never held a camera. Don't play sports like a national champion. I've only managed to pass all of the exams somehow. And guess what? I don't even wear rings. What am I made for? I've also been a victim of this very same confusion. I did not have an answer up until 2 years after I graduated. All I knew was I did not want to go into law firms. That job never appealed to me, but that was my personal choice. Then eventually, over the years, I realized that the one thing that I liked a lot was researching and presenting papers. And from that moment on, I just kept telling myself that this is what I'm going to do. Now, the one thing that I want the most from my life is to be a successful academician. The question, what are you made for, is very different from what are you going to do. You've got no control over the destiny, so you can't really answer the first question, what are you made for? Then why even trouble yourself with it? But what you are going to do is something that you and only you can decide. So why not focus on this question instead? Think about that one area that interests you the most. The one thing that, while doing it, makes you indulge in it with your heart and soul and makes you feel worthy. For me, it was research and presentation that, while doing it, made me completely indulge myself. And I found that feeling of worthiness in the appreciation of the audience. For you, it can be something else. But no one else can truly find it out except for you. And don't worry, the search for this answer takes some time. It is bound to. Rely upon self-motivation and keep pursuing your heart. With these words, I take your permission now. I thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity to address you on this special occasion. Wishing you the best with your future endeavors. Thank you.
Hello everyone. It feels nice to get connected to you all after a long time. But the occasion on which you have summoned me evokes mixed feeling. There is a sense of satisfaction that 2015-20 batch has attained its academic goal. But at the same time, there is a tinge of sadness that I won't be meeting them when I visit the Chanakya campus henceforth. However, you have to move on to attain higher goals in your life. I wish that you attain name, fame, prosperity, and goodwill wherever you go. You also retain a sense of responsibility not only towards yourself and family, but towards your immediate surrounding and the community to which you belong. I want to hear your success stories in near future and in years to come. My best wishes are with each one of the students of this batch, and hope that they will remember their institution, their alma mater, as the place from where they earn and learn the ways of the world, which stands them in good stead throughout their lives. Today, I am recording this message for you all on the occasion of Guru Purnima. May you continue to get guidance from your gurus, and one day you also become the beacon for others who seek guidance and inspiration from you. Thank you. Thank you all.
Dear seniors, this is not the end. We have some write-ups from our respected teachers who desirably wanted to wish you for your greater future. Here is one write-up from our respected Manranjan sir. My dear students of graduating batch of session 2020, in the capacity of your teacher, I'm having at this moment a mixed sentiment and feeling of joy and pain both. Feeling of joy as it is those momentous occasion when I see the students who had joined and remained in my company all these 5 years graduate with all those life skills and energy which will make them an asset for their family, society, and the nation. At the same time, somewhere I have this feeling of missing you all in the corridors of academic block of the university in the upcoming academic sessions. This is part and parcel of the life of a teacher. As your teacher, we try to give you our best. It is for you now to prove this, not to us, not to yourself, but to the world outside that you are the best in your field and you can compete in whatever field you choose. The world outside there is really tough, but you all are skilled enough to meet the challenges. I wish you all bright future and grand success in your life. Here is another one from Pratyush Kaushik sir. Though meeting and parting is way of life, but for me, it is hard to believe and console myself that my admirable passing out graduating students with whom we scripted many saga of success have become mature enough to soar high in the sky and are ready to stride relentlessly on the path of success. We lived, learned, breathed together, forging an unbreakable bond of unity and remained committed to strengthen teaching learning process. Our faith in our institutional values too have swelled with passage of time, and we have always worked in sync for attainment of larger goals. Indeed, your departure will create an emotional vacuity in our mind, but your fragrant memories will continue to be tonic satisfaction of your life. Wherever you go, whatever goal you pursue, you would all be remembered as an astonishing success. Rest assured that in all your voyages, you would continue to be protected by CNLU as a canopy of protection. Be blessed and always prosper. Third one is from Manu sir. Dear class of 2020, none of us imagined that you will close this chapter of your life through a computer or phone screen. But that's what life is all about. It's full of surprises. It was great teaching ADR and environmental law to your batch. Your college life may end here, but our relationship with you will never end. It is a lifelong bond and it is just a beginning. Being a teacher, it is always pleasure to see the students on top of the world. I would love to hear about the paths you chose to take from here. Life is full of wonderful things just waiting to surprise you. Work hard in your next journey. Good luck and goodbye. This is from GP Pandey sir. Congratulations to the passing batch. It was an excellent journey with you all. I was a bit harsh with you at times, but that was for your own good. Achieve success in life and above all, try to be good human beings. God bless you all. Cheers.
And that was not all that we have planned. We have some more messages from the teachers, and this one is from Gaurav sir. Dear class of 2020, we are in the toughest span of our lifetime, and this hardship is across the globe. This pandemic set new order of life and new rules of the game, and sharing this message on virtual platform is one of such change which become new order of life. I don't want will happen tomorrow, but I have sheer faith and belief in your professional competence and diligence that you will overcome all the adversity you face. I really enjoyed teaching you cyber law and health law, although got less time for health law. I also learned so many things while arguing on various issues in the class. I really miss you and your classroom discussions. And the last lesson which I want to give you as a faculty that give you main touch to your professional skills. Believe in this can do miracle in your life, and this is thing which the world needed most at this juncture. I believe that you will script many success stories in your life. Have faith. I believe in you. Best wishes for you, new journey. Good luck and goodbye. Now we have a message from Meeta ma'am. I want you all to be happy in life, whether I have taught you or not. You are going to be my learned colleagues. We have a shared career. It is so natural to feel proud of you all. You are beautiful, energetic, brave, mature. Always keep the spirit up. Keep up all the good work, follow your dreams, and success will walk up to you. You are the people who can make the world better, since you have the ability to do any work perfectly. I know you can do this very well. Be a good human, a good friend, a good partner, a good soul. One who is honest, trustworthy, responsible, and helpful. Happiness will find you. Always be positive, never lose hope, and never ever doubt in magic, for you are the magician. I made some friends in this batch. I wish you all the very best. My prayers are always with you. Dr. Meeta Moini. Now we have message from Sugandha ma'am. My best wishes and blessings to the batch of 2020. And the last one we have from the side of Nandita ma'am that I would like to share. Dream, believe, wonder, inspire, love, respect, nurture, and always listen. Best wishes. So these were all the messages from our teachers. But goodbye does not have all to be doleful. So we embark a new journey, and here are some joyous movement that we want to share with you.
I really hope that all of you enjoyed it. I believe that now we have come to the end of the program. For the end, we have saved something very special for you. So please stay tuned and let's watch your journey together. So that was all of your juniors were working for. We have one last thing for you, but that will be posted on Instagram. So till then, till the time we meet again, it's a goodbye from all of us at CNLU. Love to all of you. Thank you.